A country lady taught me the best cheese roll recipe. In a bowl, start with 10 g yeast and 5 tablespoons sugar. Eight tablespoons of oil. One cup of water. Mix all of this well. Next, add about 500 grams of flour. Add gradually, mixing to the right consistency. As dough firms up, start kneading by hand. Knead for 10-15 minutes until smooth like this. Then cover and let the dough rest for 2 hours. Look how the dough turned out. Remove the wrap and punch down the dough. Move to counter, cut into 80 g portions. Spread dough, add mozzarella, and start rolling. In this part, we'll stick the sides and then make cuts, just as I'm showing you. Once that's done, just keep rolling. Repeat the process with the remaining dough. Let's transfer everything to a baking pan. Now folks, let's let it rest for another half hour. After this time, we'll brush on the egg yolk. Here I used a bit of coffee with milk. We'll bake at 180 degrees until it starts to brown. And look folks, how amazing it already looks. Now I'll add a hot syrup of 250 milliliters milk and half a can of condensed milk. After adding the syrup, we'll cover it with some grated coconut. And on top, a bit more condensed milk to taste. Once that's done, just slice and enjoy. And look folks, how incredible this cheese roll turns out. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Thanks everyone.